What's up, guys? This is the Nacho Scare, and today I'm going to be finding out what's inside a moonball. As you can see, I don't really care about this because I took off all the craters, but safety is key. Always need to be protective. So let's get started. I have a knife. We're getting closer. I got my handy dandy scissor. Kids, always ask for parental supervision. I am a trained professional. If you could see my floor right now, it literally looks like I just used a cheese grater. I'm pretty close. Bounce check. So bouncy. Hee hee hee. This is what we're working with now. And this is what I have chopped off. That wasn't me. I will rip apart this entire thing into tiny pieces. Alright, I want to tell you guys a plan I have. So, I don't know when, but sometime I'm going to make a new channel. It will most likely be called the Nacho Baseball Player. And it will be videos of my baseball games. Speaking of which, I have a tournament over my birthday. Well, there's nothing inside. I have made an absolute freaking, how do I do this? Well, yeah, well, I have made a very big mess of, where's my camera? Of my room. I hope you guys can see that. So, there's nothing inside except for wall ball material. But, as always, like, subscribe, share, comment down below in like 18 years. And we'll see you in the next video.